Yo, what's up, man? Some motherfucking Slim Stacks in the building. Might start working in a minute, but shit. I just want to let y'all know. Come out, show some love at goddamn Columbia at the Brick House. Show some goddamn love, Showcase going down. Free entry. All you gotta do is get up there. We got a couple of cars going, about 5 cars. So if you want to go, come. We can accommodate you. You know what I'm saying, man? Come show some love. Come show some support for this motherfucking movement. Carolina Enterprise. We got the merchandise and some more designs and shit coming soon, man. We out here in the motherfucking streets working, trying to motherfucking bubble and shit. But I'm about to get on this shit real quick and drop some hits and shit. But man, come out and support, man. Come out and support your motherfucking local talent. Cause a nigga got a problem. A nigga wanna get rich. And guess what? When I do, all I wanna do? Buy everybody way out of hell. I don't want y'all to pay bills. No, I love y'all. I'm just not an artist. I'm a motherfucking philosopher. I'm all kind of shit.